In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a video business card on a computer with HiHello. As a reminder, you'll need a HiHello Professional, Business, or Enterprise account to add a video to your digital business card. First, we're going to start on the Cards tab of the web app, and then we'll click the card we want to add a video to. Now we can click the pencil icon to edit the card, and we'll click over to the Display tab. Now we can click Add a photo or video, and then we'll click again to upload our video. Now we can select our video and click Open, and you'll see our video is automatically cropped to fit the card best. Now we can click Add Media. On the left, you'll be able to see how your video looks on your card, and you can choose whether or not the video will have sound and if the video should loop indefinitely or only once. Once you've chosen your video settings, we can click Save. And now our card has a video on it. To learn how to do this on mobile or to learn more about our HiHello Professional, Business, or Enterprise plans, look for links in the description below.